Hello, I'm Michelle with Phoenix Flow Art. Today I'm going to be working on a heart-shaped panel. It's 9" by 1/4 inch, and we're going to be doing a Dutch pour. As you can see, my heart is already red, and the reason for that is because when I am painting on unfinished wood, first thing I do is seal it and then sand it to make it smooth. Once I do that, I either paint it white, or in this case, I thought I was going to be doing a red heart, so I went ahead and spray painted it red, but then I changed my mind. So today's Dutch pour, I will be using a silver base coat, and then my colors will be garnet and gold. And since Valentine's is coming up next month, I thought it'd be fun just to paint on heart-shaped panels or canvases. So if you like my content, please like, subscribe, and comment. It's free. So let's get to the video. Phoenix Flow Art, creating is what we do.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable. Used to do. No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and